We remember at the round table. The circle is activated, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center, sustaining a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. Throughout this cycle, its form is expressed as sulfur. This is the substance we bring into order. The 16th particle of the stone appears as the burning stone, ready to be observed and refined through the different perspectives offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the perspective of balance. The Throne of Libra opens the 7th position and directs our attention to bacterial sulfate reduction as a form of anaerobic respiration. From this seat, sulfur reveals itself as the terminal electron acceptor in the respiratory chains of microorganisms that inhabit oxygen-free environments, as the atom that sulfate-reducing bacteria convert into hydrogen sulfide while maintaining cellular redox balance under anaerobic conditions. What ignited became mineralized, transmitted biogeochemical information, protected protein architecture, shown in yellow, and refined therapeutic precision now finds its proper proportion through bacterial and ecosystemic redox balance. Sulfate-reducing bacteria use SO4 superscript 2 as the final electron acceptor in their electron transport chain. Every redox balance is maintained in marine sediments, wetlands, and underground pipelines. Every anaerobic ecosystem preserves the proportions in which oxygen and sulfate coexist in regulated tension. Sulfur inhabits the boundary between aerobic and anaerobic respiration, the balance that requires redox potentials of approximately -200 millivolts, and the proper proportion that separates healthy sulfur-based ecosystems from toxic accumulations of H2S. Seen from the Throne of Libra, the burning stone discovers harmony with its complementary oxygen, redox reciprocity, and the capacity to sustain the tension between oxidation and reduction. Autoignition becomes an electrochemical balance. Its own fire organizes itself as harmony between electron donors and acceptors. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of redox balance. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner burning stone and accompanies the fine calibration of the particle. As you hold your gaze upon it, balance is established, and the 7th face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Sulfur becomes balanced. The wheel continues its conscious rotation. Thus, today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold one affirmation inwardly throughout the entire practice. I am restoring the redox balance between sulfate and sulfide. Allow your mind to remain serene and harmonious at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it silently for at least 3 complete breaths. Allow the flame to dissolve emotions associated with imbalance, excess, deficiency, and the disruption of your inner redox balance. Emotion is brought into order through balance. Action, integration into the body. Pour yourself a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am balanced sulfur. Repeat it 3 times with full awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating redox balance into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.